This is the Route 66 high-quality LED basic headlight kit for Yamaha Drive and G29 Golf Carts from model year 2007 to 2016. The kit features two automotive-style bright white front LED headlights and two long-lasting bright red LED taillights. The headlights come with an easy-to-use traceable cutout installation template so that you get the perfect symmetrical alignment while installing on your cart. The light kit also includes a dash-mounted on-off toggle switch with LED indicator to let you know when the light kit is switched on or off. This basic light kit is perfect for turning your cart into a real nighttime machine and can easily light up any neighborhood path or back trail. This kit is also available in a street legal version, which includes an upgraded wiring harness, turn signals, and a horn. Get your Route 66 basic light kit today and make driving in the dark an afterthought.